Welcome to the Department of Chemistry. The history of Department of Chemistry is as old as 1923, but it was not until 1961 that an independent Department of Chemistry was established at UET Lahore. It was a supporting department for teaching applied chemistry courses to engineering disciplines until 1994. The department started MSc Applied Chemistry program in 1995, while the MPhil or RAMS in chemistry were started after the year 2000. The department is also offering applied chemistry courses to various engineering disciplines that include electrical, chemical, polymer, metallurgical, mining, geological, and petroleum and gas engineering. Compulsory factory training is a part of MSc curriculum. The Department of Chemistry hosts a faculty of 13 members, including 2 professors, 3 associate professors, 5 assistant professors, and 3 lecturers. They are for teaching 10 well-equipped research laboratories, 2 instrumental labs, and 1 computer lab in the fields of analytical, inorganic, organic, physical, and spectroscopy in the department. Master degree of this program is offered in many countries. Advancements in science and technology, development of new fields and discoveries in the field of chemistry have been kept abreast by regularly updating the curriculum. The curricula and syllabi are relevant to the AGC criteria and international standards. Besides core courses, a number of specialization courses like organic geochemistry, biomarker chemistry, color chemistry and technology, petroleum chemistry, electrochemistry, coordination chemistry, environmental chemistry, polymer chemistry, and advanced courses in analytical chemistry are being offered by the department at postgraduate level. Welcome to the Department of Mathematics. The majority of the degree programs offered by various departments of the University of Engineering and Technology Lahore have courses in applied mathematics, statistics, and numerical analysis as an essential part of their educational plans. The department hosts a faculty of 20 members, including 3 professors, 4 associate professors, 9 assistant professors, and 4 lecturers. The department also offers postgraduate programs including MPhil, Applied Mathematics, and PhD Mathematics. The department has 2 labs, a computer lab and a mechanics lab, equipped with quality equipment and facilities based on the latest technology pertaining to different sectors. Mathematics department started master degree program in 1999. The department has been awarding degree in MSc Mathematics with one of the accompanying specializations up to 2003 in pure mathematics, applied mathematics, and computational mathematics.
The Department of Physics was established in 1962. The faculty here is highly qualified and motivated, drawing on expertise in many areas of applied physics, and it includes such courses as laser physics, applied atomic and nuclear physics, solid-state physics, computer science and its applications, and electronics, etc. In order to cater to 256 students, a faculty of 21 members is readily available. Out of these, 6 are professors, 3 are associate professors, 11 assistant professors, and 1 lecturer. The department has state-of-the-art laboratories where students have the opportunity to perform experiments of an advanced level with the special emphasis on the applied concepts of physics. The primary aim of these programs is to involve the postgraduate students into these areas of applied physics which are of importance for scientific and technical development in Pakistan.
Welcome to the Department of Humanities, Management and Social Sciences. The department, earlier known as English Department, in 1960s has flourished side by side with engineering faculties. The general objective of courses in the department is to groom students and broaden their perception according to dictates of modern times. The department has 15 faculty members, including one professor, 5 assistant professors, and 9 lecturers. The department offers courses such as communication skills, functional English, report writing, industrial and engineering economics, project management, consumer behavior, marketing, economics for planners, and other management subjects. Since engineers are responsible members of commercial enterprises and technical associations of a relatively high caliber, these disciplines help them to perform better in their job assignments and become high achiever in their respective fields. English being the medium of instruction for all technical and scientific disciplines in Pakistan, the department offers courses in technical English and technical report writing. The department also offers a course entitled Ethics and Pakistan Studies, especially designed for non-Muslim students who take it up in lieu of a compulsory course that is Islamic and Pak Studies. Short courses in spoken English are also taught, especially in summer. Department of Islamic Studies. The curricula in the university include compulsory and optional subjects. Islamic and Pak studies are included in compulsory subjects. The underlying purpose of teaching this subject to the students of engineering disciplines is to impress upon them the richness of Islamic culture, heritage, civilization, and role played by Islamic ideology in guiding the Muslims of subcontinent toward their most cherished goal of an independent homeland, Pakistan. The Islamic Studies was introduced in university as an optional subject in 1961. In the subsequent years, due to its importance, this subject was made compulsory for all Muslim students. In 1982, the government of Pakistan prescribed Pakistan studies as an essential component of syllabus at all levels of education. Since then, the department is teaching this subject too. The department has a faculty of 10 members, including 2 professors, 3 associate professors, and 5 assistant professors. The faculty members of the department have an over time excelled in their academic field and research as well. Some of them were awarded merit certificates in their academic careers. The faculty members have been producing research papers and articles in quality research journals of national and international fame. In addition to these activities, one faculty member of department has been delivering Friday sermon in Jamia Mosque UET.
At the Institute of Business and Management, we offer 2 undergraduate programs, the conventional Bachelor of Business Administration program and a recently launched Bachelor of Business Information Technology program. Our BBA program is a 4 years bachelor's honors degree that prepares its participants for careers in business administration with a specialization in human resource management, marketing, or finance. Our graduates are well placed in leading national and multinational organizations of the country. Our BBIT program is a unique blend of information technology tools and skills and business knowledge. It prepares its graduates not only for management of technology businesses but IT leveraged management of traditional business models. Understand the importance of ethics and professional grooming. and the same is reflected in our efforts in overall personality development and professional grooming of our students so that each individual is nurtured to realize his full potential. At IBM, we put a special focus on industry engagement and exposure of our students to contemporary business practices through internships, guest lectures, and industry visits. The academic programs are taught by a highly qualified team of 25 faculty members, including 9 PhDs. Academic facilities include a well-equipped computer lab and departmental library in addition to the central UET library. In addition, students have access to the entire area of academic, recreational, and support services provided by UET to its student body.